సిక్స్ పిఎం బ్యాచ్ ఈరోజు ఆన్లైన్లో ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? ఆయన చెప్పేసి మీకు చెప్తున్నాను. Okay, in the last one, okay. So conversion methods we said, conversion functions. Okay, let me come out and see. So in conversion method, there are two types of what we discuss. Two underscore char and two underscore data. Okay, right. So now in this, what we called this two underscore char, how I can use, okay, this data type means when you need to convert, okay, now convert your date expression into character type. So two char, my target is what now? Two char. My target is what now? Two char. So data format of data, when you want to convert into character, then you can use a two underscore char. Okay, right down below. To convert, to convert, to convert data type to character, data type to character type, and also to display, and also to display, and also to display data, display data in different formats, date in a different formats. Okay, so you have two things. One is converting and one is different formats. Whenever you want to display your data expressions, there also you can use. Okay, right. And now what is the syntax for this? What is the syntax for this? The syntax of this two underscore char of so sys date, and now I need to send my interval. I need to send my interval. Okay, two underscore char of sys date comma interval, and the interval is nothing but the which interval are you passing here. Based on that, that format of data will be show you. Okay, now okay, there are different types of intervals are there. First, I'm going to showing that intervals here. Let me come out and see. So there is some intervals we have here, and these intervals observe carefully. Okay, the first one is called as here year format of intervals. Year format of intervals, can you see? So year format. So your YYYYYYEAR CCAD or BC. So these are called as a different formats of intervals. So first we will discuss about the year format. So year can be represented different formats. YYY, if I given, so display in 4 digits format. Suppose year 2023. So in how many digits here? 4 digits. Suppose if I'm giving your YY, then last 2 digits format. That's called a 23. Suppose are you passing YEAR, year, it's called as a 2023. 2023. Okay, na? 2023. SCC is called as a century. In which century we are having? In which century? 21st century we have here. Next we have here BC and AD. So AD means what I said here, Anoma Domini. BC stands for before Christ. Okay, na? So AD year and BC year, it will be displayed to you. Okay, now write down these intervals first of all. Okay, right. So now these intervals, how I can use, let me observe first. So right, as usual, you just go to your SQL Plus. Okay. And now you want to connect with your database now. Okay. Now check it out here. To underscore care of so sys date. Sys date means what now? Current your system date. So system what it was happened, the date will be written for us. Sys date, and here I need to pass a interval. So now which format your date expression or year value or month value or day value, in which format do you want to display? Okay, that format of interval must be pass. Suppose if I'm giving here my interval is a year format. So year format value have to display. But here I can display in which format here single quotes are compulsory. Y. If I was given like this and from the dual, what it was happening, you can see your 2023, the 23 format will be displayed into 4 digits. Okay, now 4 digits. Suppose in this case, if I'm using YY, if I pass it, then my format will be last 2 digits. Okay, like you can go to give it your, suppose you need to know about your, okay, sorry, what we can say YEAR. If you want to know about year, then it was showing in the string complete character representation 2023. Okay, now so like you can go to use your year intervals. Okay, now so now all together I'm passing here how it was work here. Observe. So YYY space YY space YEAR. Okay, space, and now I want to know CC. It means displaying what now? Century. Suppose I'm giving here BC. BC means what now? Before Christ. But actually now we are present into after Christ. Okay. Anoma Domini we are having here. So now we can see if I'm passing here, what it was showing to me. So YYY interval. See, every interval carefully observed. YY interval returns 4 digit format. Okay. YY interval returns 2 digit format. YEAR returns character format 2023. What is your CC? 21st century. I was given BC, but it was converting into AD because we are having after Christ, not before Christ. Okay, na? So this is what every interval will display that particular value in the particular format. Okay, now so this is what the year interval advantage. And first I will show you this all. Later how to use in my programs I will show you. Okay, now right down below. One example enough. No need all individual. You can go to individual or else complete one together. You can take, and this is better for you to easily understand at a time. And this entire I will place like a output. So every interval, the specific value will be written. Last people, yellow t-shirt, huh? Right on, first right on. Okay, right. This is year format. Then you have to take siding month format here. The month format intervals what it was. Okay, first observe in which way we are going to be display your month intervals. Okay, the month format intervals I'm giving now. So these are month intervals you can take now. So month in number format. Month in in number format. Okay. MON. MON. So MON, what it was returns, the first three characters from month spelling. The first three characters of month spelling. Next, month. Full name of month. Full name of month. Okay. Now you can see. So now in this, again, I'm going to writing now. Suppose you just pass it here, select to underscore care of sys date, and now you can send your MONTH. If I'm sending these three intervals, as per my system today, June month. So June month in number format 6. First three characters of June spelling, JUN, and entire spelling of June. Okay, na? So this is the month intervals formats. Right down. In the same format, what next it will be interval, day interval, and we called as day formats. The day format intervals. So in day format of intervals, again, we have here different types of intervals we have in this. So let me come out and see. So day format of intervals, okay, what it was here. D. So if I use my triple D characters, it was say like a day of the year. That means yearly 365 days. So yearly 365 days. But today, 30th June, this is which at the day out of 365. Got it my point now? So yearly, how many days here? 365. 365 days. As per my today data, I'm considered today data, system data. So system date is what now? 30 June. So 30 June is which at day out of 365? Is it first day na? Is it 15th day na? Is it 150th day na? Okay, out of 365, the which at the day that was written by what now? D. If you mean or if you give it, okay, now or if you pass it, this argument, okay, right. Next one is called as what now? DD. DD means what? The day of the month. So in the month, it is a first day na, second day na, 15th day na, or else a 30th day, because monthly 30 days or 31 days. As per the month, and in the month number of days, which date today? Today which day? 30th day. So 30 will be returns. Next one is called as a single D. Single D is representing what now? Day of the week. So weekly, how many days? 7 days. Out of 7 days, today, which at the day? Today is what now? Friday. Friday means what is the day? Sixth day. So your day countings also I was given without confusion. Sunday, 1. Monday, 2. Tuesday, 3. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And actually, your week starts from Sunday. But generally, what it was happening in IT industry, when IT industry came, weekends means a Saturday, Sunday, we consider the week ending. Or everyone thinking that week started from Monday. So Monday and weekend is Saturday, Sunday. That is not, that is just a vocabulary, it is okay. But grammatically, that is not correct. Grammatically, what is correct? Sunday is our first day in the week. Vocabulary, you can say weekends, week start from Monday. We can call like that, just talking as a communication. But actually, this is your technically. So technically, your week started from Sunday. Sunday is the first day in the week. Okay, na? Like Saturday is the last day in the week. So as for today date, today Friday which day? Sixth day will be written for us. Okay, that's, and this is what we called as a DAY. DAY means what now? Full name of the day. The name spelling. For example, Friday. Entire spelling will be show us. And here we are using DY. DY means what now? The first three characters of day spelling. Suppose Friday. What is the first three characters? FRI. Okay, na? Like that. Right down below. Okay. Now in this case, how to pass this values in my query level? Okay. Select to underscore care of sysdate. And so many people suppose you have a doubt. Sir, why are you using every time sysdate? Can I give a normal date like this 23 dash okay, so some March dash 2000, my own user defined. So that kind of doubt is come out. But here observed, to underscore care function, user defined dates are not allowed. That is the reason I'm not changing there. Every time I'm taking sysdate only. So user defined the date. Suppose manually your wish, you are okay. So sir, why should I want to give it in place of this? Suppose I'm giving now 30 dash June June dash 2023. So can I give it manually, sir? Means that if you give it, it is not allowed. Okay. To underscore care function, especially this function, in this function, you must be work with the sysdate only. This you can't change. So in this place, you can use a higher date column, you can use it, but manually you can't send it. Understand now? So now what I'm saying here now, DDD, DDD, DAY, DY. Okay. Now just observe all intervals outputs. Okay. So DDD, this is which yesterday? 181 out of 365. In the month, 30th day. In the week, 6th day. Entire spelling, Friday. First three characters, FRI. Okay, na? This is what intervals. Right on? Okay. In this date expression, D intervals, okay, month intervals and year intervals we discuss. Same like that, we have a week intervals and a quarterly interval also there. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Okay, now so that kind of intervals also we have it here. Now next one right on here. Quarter format. Take next heading, quarter format. So yearly, how many quarters? Four quarter. First quarter, which was comes under Jan to March. Second, April to June. Third, July to September. Fourth, October to December. Okay, now? So these are what we called as a quarters. Right down below. And now come out and see. So as per your sys date, this is which quarter we have here. This is month. Which month this is? June. Comes under second quarter. So it was going to be second quarter. Now see what it was written to me. 2. Okay now? Right on below. Next. Same as a week format also there. Weekly format also we have here. That's called as a week format. Now your WW is nothing but week of the year. Now tell me, yearly how many weeks? 52 weeks. So out of 52 weeks, this is which at the week. Understand na? So that means here, whatever the date we have today, this is which at the week. Okay, today we are having which at the week out of 52 weeks in the year. So that was written by what now? WW. But W, it returns week of the month. Monthly, how many weeks? 4 weeks. So as per my data, today we are having in which at the week in the month. Okay, now? So that is what. Okay. Now write down below. Now we can come out and see. So now I'm going to use this. Here I will give it WWW. So this date comes under 26th week out of 52. And this is a 5th week out of this month. That this month, sometimes months are having 5 weeks also. Okay. And this is 5 week. When we check it out, 5th week or not. Okay. No? So here what it was happened? First week this, second, third, fourth, and 5th week. Okay. Na? Right. So now write down below. Manual calculation may be wrong, but system will give correct answer now. Okay. Now come out and see. These are completely day related information we given. And even though we have a intervals for time also, right down below. That's called as time formats. So when I want to use HH, okay, it is hour In which format, sir? Means that our in 12 format, or else we can't say what is now 12 hours format. Next, HH24. If I'm using, then it returns my hour in which format? 24 hours format. So MI stand minutes. MI stand minutes. SS stand seconds part. And next year we have a AM and a PM. So your morning and evening prime time. Okay. So the time will be showing to you whether it is a morning or evening. Now you can see these all intervals in one query format. Okay. So now we can see HH, HH24, MI, SS. Suppose I'm giving AM. What it was happened, you can see. So now HH is called a 12 hours format. 12 hours format. 12 hours format. What is our 4 o'clock? And HH 24 hours. What is this? 16 minutes, seconds. I'm giving what? But it was showing what? PM. Exact, right on below. Complete? Hmm. So now these are what? No, complete intervals along with the to underscore char function. Okay, no? But now how these are we are using under SQL queries. Okay, let me go for some examples. Okay, now write down. Write a query to display employees who are joined in 1981 by using 1981 by using to underscore char function. To underscore char function. Here observe, first observe, concept understand. Once understand, you can write easily. Let me see. Who I wanted? 1981 people. So first of all, come to my table. So come to my table. This is actually table information. And 14 employees in this table, we all of you know, and total hire dates are there here. Somebody is 1980s, 81s, 82, 83s are joined. Who you wanted here? 81 people. So 81 people data I want to retrieve. How we can use to underscore char function in my queries. So let me observe. Select star from EMP where to underscore char of here actually sys date I have to give. But now I'm comparing with which column? Higher date. So that's why which column I have to give here? Higher date. In place of sys date, higher date, comma. For example, are you passing your interval y? Are you passing this interval? Careful observe. And already we knows that this interval returns my year value in which format? 4 digits format. Is it correct? 4 digits format it was returns. Okay now. So it means that the 4 digit format of value only comparing. Is it correct or not? Yes. So that means now I'm going to give it. Suppose are you giving here just 81? True or false? False. Because my to underscore char function returning a value in the format of 1981 is written. But here my value comparison is what now? 81. So here 4 digits, here 2 digits. Matching or not matching? Not matching. If it is not matching, then it was showing what now? No rows. Clear? So that means what I want to do here must be each format 4 digit format. Then 4 is what? 1981, 1781, 1881, 1981. Suppose I'm giving, okay, sir, 1881 I'm giving. What happened you can see? No. That means year, these years are which year? 19 years. Okay, it's not 17, it's not 18. Starting some students are asking, sir, your 80 means what 80, sir? 1980 years, 1780 years, 1680 years. Some people have a doubt. Now confirm now. Which one this is? 1881? Not at all. It is a 1991. See, 1991, if I'm giving na, answer will come. So that means this is which year? 1981 year. Practically proved now? Yes, right down below. So this is one way of format. Okay. This is why I'm using. Suppose, sir, some people have a doubt. Sir, if I want to write this in the next second interval, y, I can use, yes or no? This is another interval. But this interval returns how many digits? 2 digits. If I'm passing 4 digits, allowed or not allowed? See. So which format of interval are you passing? The same format of value should compare. Understand now? So now I'm comparing 19, I just remove. Just can I go for this? Yes. And now see, 81 people are came to you. Okay, now? Same as. So now next one is what? YEAR. First I will show you, this is which year of people these are. Let me see. select to underscore care of which one? Higher date of YEAR from EMP table. Just normal query I'm using. In this query, I can identify whether these are which at the years. 90th, 18th, 17th, 16th, you have to know. Let me see. It was showing all our 19th centuries. Now you can see higher date was that 1980. Yes or no? 1980, yeah? 1980, yeah? Yes or no? Yes. What is that? Where is my table? Wait. What is my table here? Observe carefully. 1980. Yes, 1980. Yes. Yes or no? 1980. Next one is what now? 1981. 81, 81, 81, 81, 82, 81, 81, 83, 81, 81, 82. Now that means these are confirmed now. These years belongs to 19th, not 18th, not 17th, not 16th. Understand my point now? Okay, fine. Now here, who I wanted here, 1981 people I wanted. So this format I just copy because if anything missed, not correctly, come out to outside. Okay, output is not come. So that's why what I'm doing here, yes. Now we can remove this. Okay, which interval? YEAR interval is equals to open single quote and pass it now. What I'm passing now? What I'm passing now? 19 space 80 dash 1 and close single quote. Format satisfied? Now we can see 1981 people got it. So that means in this three format of intervals, you can use anyone or not? Yes, anyone you can use. That is the mean by 2 underscore care. These intervals how to using now. So that means what I'm saying, you can write like this. Your answer will come to you. You can write like this. This is also correct. Answer will come to you. Otherwise, you can write like this also. So year format intervals are satisfied. Yes. So this is, yes. In this three formats, which format you want it, you can write. Either 4-digit format you can use, either 2-digit format you can use, either all the character types you can use. All are showing same results. Okay, now? Now write down below 3 formats. Can you try one example? Okay. Write your example. Write a query to display employees who are joined in In 1980, 1982, 1983. Who are joined 1980, 82, 83. And in this three format, which is easiest for you? Which is easiest for you that you can use and write? Okay. Write down how to write now. I wanted this 3 years who are joined in 1980s, 1982, 1983. I want it now. This 3 year people data, I want it now. Hmm. Take some 3 minutes or 5 minutes of time, take and write. Yeah. Come. Good. Wrong. Check it out. Good. Wrong. You're doing correct, but there is small mistake is there. Check it out. Okay, na? Check what is the mistake there. Wrong. Wrong. Girls, anybody? Three queries ఎందుకు? Why you are writing three queries? Time waste కదా. నువ్వు రియల్ టైంలో రాస్తావా? అలా కాదు. ఒక ఆపరేటర్ ఉంది మనకి. గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూస్ ని కంపేర్ చేయడానికి మనకు ఒక ఆపరేటర్ ఉంది. గుర్తెచ్చుకో ఏ ఆపరేటర్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం మనం? ఒక లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూస్ ని చెక్ చేయాలి. అలా రాయొద్దు. రాంగ్ అది. నువ్వు కూడా అలాగే రాస్తావా? అలా కాదు. చూడండి, ఒక ఆపరేటర్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ ఆపరేటర్ బేస్ చేసుకుంటూ మనం కంపేర్ చేయొచ్చు. ఒకే క్వరీలో రాయొచ్చు. ఏ ఆపరేటర్ ఉంది అలాగా? మనం లాస్ట్ ఆపరేటర్స్ క్లాస్ నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ వాల్యూస్ కంపేర్ చేయడానికి మనకు ఒక ఆపరేటర్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఒకసారి నోట్ చూడండి, మీ నోట్స్ ఉంటుంది, అది చెక్ చేయండి. ఆపరేటర్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెక్ చేయండి. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ see here how many values I'm asking here. 3 values. Group of values comparison level, we are using one operator. Which operator? In operator. And here also I'm giving in. Okay na? In operator, remember what is in? List of values are comparing with one single condition. Is it correct? Open your in operator. Go all of you. Operator concept open. Last class only na operators. Open. Special operators. Go to special operators. First one in. Notes is there or not there? There are. In operator, check it out. Syntax observed. Okay. What is the syntax? Where column name in of value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3. Is it clear? So now here also same that you can use. And of course here R operator also use it. R operator means how many conditions you need to write? 2. How many values here? 3 values. 2 underscore char of higher date YY is equals to 80 or R. 2 underscore higher date comma YY is equals to 82 R. 2 underscore higher date comma 82 or 83 is equals to 83. So like 3 condition, but it was very lengthy, Corina. So instead of writing 3 conditions by using of R operator, we can write only one condition. One condition matter how to write now? In operator. Let we can see here. So now I'm going to give it now. Okay, either 2 digit or 4 digits, whatever you want to take as your wish. Okay, na? And YEAR also you can take as your wish. But which format are you taking? The values also that format only. Now here equal operator we can't use. Okay, it is a single value comparison. So what we want to use? In of my interval in which digits? 4 digits. Everything will be single quote. 1980 single quote comma 1982 single quote comma 1983. Is it clear all of you? In operator. So you got it, 1980s people, 82 people and 83 people. So in operator where you want to use? Comparing group of values at a time. Okay, right down below. Okay, now? Is it clear all of you? Okay. So this is one example of a year format of data. Okay, na? Right. I stop it, guys, and we'll continue tomorrow. Some more examples we will see on tomorrow's session. Okay, na? Right, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, leave. No problem. Leave.